Hey guys, it's BOD. Today's video is awesome. Over a $5,000 jackpot on Happy Lantern Lightning Link. And after the big jackpot, make sure you check out the bonus footage on Sahara Gold for another cool bonus. Thanks. So the grand is at 123,800. That's it. All the majors start at 5,000, and on the dollar denom, the minor is 5, and the mini is 1. So I got 4,000. I'm gonna play all $4,000. Now, it's double or nothing. However, any jackpot gets banked until the end. So anytime I hit a jackpot, I'm gonna put that in the bank, and that money is in the bank and not gonna be touched at all. So we got 4,000. So any jackpot, I'm gonna bank it and go from there. So here we go. 25 a spin. We're gonna start on some Happy Lantern. Yep, there's no set amount of spins. Kind of play it by ear, but we're gonna bank all the jackpots and kind of go from there. Come on, 3 more. Hey, the big jackpot's in the house. Hey, everybody. Thanks for joining me late at night on Brian of Denver Slots. Come on, 2 more. Got bank of 4, so if 1,000 goes through any given machine, we don't hit it, we're gonna move on to the next one. $86. Come on, 2 more. But welcome everybody tonight, late at night. I know on the East Coast it's about 2 o'clock in the morning, but some people in different countries it's prime time. Looks like T-Win is live on Sassy Cassie's channel. $15. All right, guys, this is machine number 1. The first $1,000 Tito. Looking for something good. People want to see what we got we're working with. There we go. All it takes is 1. That grand would be nice, wouldn't it? Somebody in a group, Sean from Tampa, she hit the grand on a $250 bet. Playing Magic Pearl. Yeah, there we go. Good start. We got a bonus. 14. Left or right? I was told it doesn't make a difference, but hold and spin feature. All right. Let's see that minor for 5 grand. There we go. Oh, there's that minor. Fill them up, that's right. Anything. All right. Woo. All right. Fill them up. All right, they all add up. Anything, come on, hit it. All right, final one. All right, we're making progress. Hey, minor, 5,000, boom. It's gonna be a winning day, guys. Wow, we're already up over $5,000. This is gonna be great. Now we got 3 chances for the grand at 123,000. So this is good, guys. Here we go. Let's get that grand. All right. Even if we don't hit the grand, it's still going to be a good day. All right. It's all right. Still a good one. There we go. Boom, here it is. BOD live. That's something. So that 5,500 is going in the bank. Not gonna touch it. So. Actually, this exact same machine, I hit a major for 6140 back in December. So. There we go. I'm gonna put $1,000 Tito in. This is Tito number 3 for 1,000. Keep in mind we got 402 plus 5,500 from machine number 1. Rule number 1: maxed out volume all the way up. And with that 402, we'll do something special near the end. Come on, first spin, let's do something. So that 402, we'll do a little bonus action on a different machine with that, possibly. Because we're banking all the hand pays. So we're allocating 1,000 per machine. But thank you all for staying up late tonight to watch and play along with me tonight. Nope, not going to be Cash Cove. Not tonight. All right, come on, bonus. Wow. I'm not seeing much come up on this one. Wow. All right, finally got something. I was getting ready to quit this machine early and say, you know what, I'm just not feeling it. Come on, one more. All right. I can pick left or right. I'm gonna do exactly what I did last time. Touch them both until one opens. It worked the first time. All right, 200 wilds added. This could be good. Let's hope they line up. All right, not exactly like that. All right, wilds all over the place. Ah. All right, there we go. Up to 395. Come on. Fill this up. Oh, 420. What do you know? Come on, one more. There we go. All right. I believe it will be a hand pay. Let's let it count up. I got no place to be. 25 lines. Each line's paying between 10 and 50. Hey, 1170. Nice. Perfect.